Make sure to stick around because Nira has been so gracious to give away one of their at-home laser devices to one of my viewers. So all information will be at the end of the video as well as the product description box. Hello everyone, I'm Jodylynn and welcome to Aging Naturally, where we talk about non-invasive, better aging solutions for the mature skin. If you're new here, welcome. I am 50 years old and have seen great improvements on my skin with a good skincare routine, SPF daily, and the help of beauty devices. If that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe. I would love to have you. If you watched this video, you know that I was contemplating on purchasing another device because you know I need another one. And I went with the Nira, obviously, because you clicked on the video. I also went with the Zip Microcurrent, if you want to see a video on that, coming soon. And I am definitely going to be purchasing an LED light panel. I am going to wait until Black Friday because I really want to see what deals come out, as well as you all have given me some really wonderful other options to look into regarding the LED light panels, which I'm so thankful for. So thank you for the comments on that. All right, let's get into talking about the Nira at-home laser. One of the reasons that I purchased this is because I've never tried any at-home laser device, and I love that this is quick and simple, and holy cow, is it ever. Let's talk about what this device is supposed to do. It is supposed to help build collagen. It is going to help lift and tone the face. It is also going to be able to help minimize fine lines and wrinkles. It is also supposed to help to brighten dark spots, as well as it looks like it can also reduce acne scars. It is supposed to help reduce the appearance of broken capillaries. I've been noticing recently some broken capillaries around my nose, and this may help with that. So I'm interested in trying that out with this. Let me know if you know of any other ideas about broken capillaries. I have not done a lot of research as of yet, but if you've got some information, I would love to know. All right, this is FDA cleared, and it is FDA cleared to be able to use underneath the eyes to reduce and minimize fine lines and wrinkles underneath the eyes and to help with those crow's feet. A lot of YouTube influencers have used this on other areas of the face. I did contact Nira wondering if it is safe to use in other areas, and they did say yes, and that they are working on getting it FDA cleared for other areas of the face. The technology, it uses a non-fractional laser. It kind of works a lot like a radiofrequency in that it is using heat to the dermis layer to create enough stress that is going to release proteins that is eventually going to help to build collagen and help with skin rejuvenation. However, it uses laser light, and the heat is definitely more hot than a radiofrequency device. With that being said, it's not an applied heat for a long period of time like a lot of other radiofrequency devices. This is where you just shoot a burst of heat to a particular targeted area. What I love most about this device as well is that there is a 90-day money-back guarantee. Which I love because it's really 90 days where you will start seeing the results of that new collagen being built. Okay, how to use this. It's super simple. All you are going to do is press the button here. There are 5 intensity levels, which I love. This button here is where you are going to press, and it's going to shoot that laser light, and it will beep, and once the beep is finished, then you're going to pull it away, and then you go on to the next area, never overlapping an area. It does shoot heat, so just know that. And there are 5 intensities. So Nira indicates to, when you first use it, to see what intensity is best for you to handle. You want to do it at the most heat that you can tolerate, for sure. You would want to just do like level 1, move it, level 2, move it, level 3. If level 3 is for you and maybe level 4 is too hot, then you'd probably want to go to a level 3. I went in, I'm on level 5. I'm an avid beauty device user, and I use level 5. And for me, it's fine. Is it hot? Yes, it is hot. It is hot at level 5. But it's a nanosecond, and it's nothing that I cannot tolerate. That's me personally. Everyone has different tolerances. So I know that there have been people that have said that even a level 1 is just too hot for them. But then again, you do have that 90-day money-back guarantee if it is something that you're interested in trying out. So how you use it is you're going to do, I usually start right at the end of my brow, and you're going to go under the eye. You start here and you press the button, move it, press the button, move it, press it, and you go in and you do 3 lines. I will show the 3 lines. That's it, 30 seconds. Next side, about 30 seconds. It's about a minute, which of course we love. You are supposed to use this morning and evening every day for 90 days, but it's super quick. So it's been very doable. And also they do indicate that if you wanted to do the 2 treatments at one time, you can just wait at least a minute and then go in with a second treatment, which I've done plenty of times. I've noticed I'm on level intensity 5 and it does get red, but it takes about, I'd say, a minute and a half or 2 minutes for the redness to go down. It's not one of those things that's going to take like 20 to 30 minutes for the face to go down anyway. That's what I've noticed with my face. After the 90 days, they do state that you still need to use it every day. You could probably use it once a day. But again, this is going to not be as nearly as powerful as your professional laser, which is why it's been so difficult for anyone to really engineer an at-home laser device. This is going to be that non-fractional laser that you use, twice a day, every day, and that you're going to have cumulative results. That's how this technology works for at home so that it is safe to use. So you'll have to use this always. And honestly, you have to use all beauty devices always. You guys know that as well. Any in-office professional treatment, Botox, fillers, plastic surgery, laser, radiofrequency in professional use, you're gonna have to get them consistently. Even if you got plastic surgery for anything, you might need to go in and get a touch-up, or the skin does change. I mean, we grow older, we're constantly, nothing has stopped us from aging and keeps us the same all the time. So it's just, that's just normal, and that's just how these devices work. All right, let me talk about how I'm going to be using this. A lot of ways. So I'm going to be doing a whole before and after eventually, 30, 60, 90. Of course, I'm going to be using this device forever, unless I just find that it's just, doesn't do anything for me, which I don't think will be the case. But I am using it underneath the eye area. I've noticed I've got a line kind of here that is new. I know it's not like terrible or anything, but I'm all about, hey, why wait until something gets worse? Let's go in, because when you wait so long, that's when treatment gets to be very difficult. So I'm all about, let's get in preventative care, and let's, as soon as we're seeing something, let's get started instead of waiting forever, and it's so much more difficult to treat. Also, where I'm going to be using it is right here on my 11s. I've got this super deep line here on my 11s. I'm hoping that that might work as well. Another way that I want to use this is around the nose on those broken capillaries. And last but not least, another way that I'm going to be using this is on these cheek lines. If you have been following me, you know that that is my biggest concern. That is what led me to my skincare journey, are these lines. I have seen great results with microcurrent, radiofrequency, SPF, and everything else that I do on this channel. So I feel like I've definitely made huge improvements. Doing research on these lines, from my understanding, they are pretty difficult to even treat in office. Plastic surgery is where a lot of people go. I don't want to do any of that. I know that radiofrequency has been suggested as well. I've been doing at-home radiofrequency, like I said, and I feel like I've seen a lot of improvement, as well as people have suggested microneedling. I do microneedling, and then of course laser. And I'm just not willing to go in and get laser. I want to see what we can do with being at home. And that's what this channel is about. So I find this very interesting in that maybe this might be able to help me on these areas. I'm not really sure. It is fat pad loss. So I'm not sure if that can really help at all, but I am not going to give up. I just believe that the technology just isn't there yet. I'm all about having a growth mindset. So I'm not like, oh, it'll never happen. Like, I'm not that person. So I will keep you posted on that. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you can see before and afters on that. I'm super excited to share, you know, if anything helps with that. I don't know, because honestly, my own opinion, I don't know if it will, because I mean, this is pretty hot. And I had to be like, I mean, now I'm used to it. I'm just not sure if it's hot enough for those thicker parts of the skin, because it's engineered to work on the under eye area, which this skin is pretty thin, which means you wouldn't need it that hot to be able to get to where it needs to get to. However, it's still hot. But I'm just not sure if it's hot enough to work like on the cheek area, but you know what? That's what we do. I give things a try so we can see if it does, and I'll be definitely letting you know. Let's talk about how you can win on Nira. So I'm gonna post all of the information here. Make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure also that you are following me on Instagram, and yeah, and of course make a comment. So you can enter all the way up to October 15th, 11:59 p.m. I will be drawing a winner on October 16th, and then the information I will post the winner on Instagram, and then I will also share on that next Sunday who the winner was as well. All of this information is going to be in the product description below so that we don't get confused. And of course, just leave me a message if you have any questions. So I hope that you like this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.